everybody. It's been so long. I know I missed you all. So here I am, Bangkok, Thailand, at the Chatuchak Weekend Market. There are few places in the world I've been overwhelmed, and this is one of them. This place is nuts. There's so much going on. Anything you'd ever want is here. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's check it out. I'm gonna try to last throughout the whole thing. There's just too much to see, but I'll do my damnedest. Let's go. So I've only been in Chatuchak Market for about 10 minutes and already completely lost. It is crazy town in here. I didn't know you needed hot water bottle covers, but they have them here. Apparently there's some place where you can get turtles as well. They have them here, so let's keep walking around because wow. So behind me they have a place that does those aroma diffuser things. Amazing, gotta love them, especially anything lemongrass. But then right next to it is a place that sells all things pork. So you know what the scent place should do? They should do scent that smells like pork. And I mean, God bless you, that'd be the greatest scent in your house. As you just saw, elephant pants. Let's talk about elephant pants. I feel like elephant pants are friends don't let friends wear the damn things. I don't get it. It seems like as soon as people get to Thailand, they lose all sense and sensibility and they buy elephant pants. Just don't do it. You are always going to regret buying them. But hey, you know what? That's just my 100 baht opinion. So leave your opinion on elephant pants in the comments because I can't be the only one thinking this. When I see them, I just want to buy. So leave the comments. Let's continue shopping. Alright, let's get to one of my favorite parts of this place is the food. It is everywhere. There's too many choices. So let's just take a look at what they got. Alright, had a little tom yum soup, a little passion fruit smoothie that probably half of it is in my teeth right now. And so re-energized and ready to attack the markets a little bit more. So let's go, should be fun when we find. And here's a hot tip: when you do come to the market, man, give yourself at least 3 to 4 hours, because you're gonna wish you had as much time as possible. 3 to 4 hours, you still might have some energy left after your time here. Well, I hope we had fun at Chatuchak Market. My mind is still melting from everything. It's just too much to go around, so it is utterly amazing. A must stop if you're in Bangkok. It is a weekend market, so you have to come here during the weekend, obviously. But I hope you enjoyed today. I'm so glad to see you guys again. Follow me through my travels in Asia, Latin America, all over. This is Life with Lorenzo. I know I started out the channel in good old New York, but we're going worldwide, so I hope you had fun. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.